Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to convert the truth table into a Boolean expression. A truth table will be given to you, and from that you have to convert the truth table to a Boolean expression. What is Boolean expression? SOP and POS. Already I taught SOP is sum of products and POS is product of sums. So this truth table will be given to you. Here there are three inputs A, B, C, and D is the output. From this truth table you have to convert, or you have to find the required Boolean expressions. If they ask to find your SOP, then you have to find SOP. If they ask you to find both, then both. And if they ask you to find product of sum, then product of sum. Alright. So these are the combinations 0, 0, 0. Then you go on adding binary addition. 1, you will go on adding 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. Then you will get 0, 0, 1, 10, 11, 100. That is decimal का 4 equivalent 4 है. 101, 110, 110 and 111. Now this output is given to you. You need not have to find this output. The output is also provided. Okay. So from this you have to find the Boolean expression. Equivalent Boolean expression. So say first we are dealing with SOP. What is the SOP from this? Just recall what was SOP? Sum of products. Right? For sum of products, what you will be doing? You will be searching 1 in the output section. For these ones, you will be getting the SOP. That is sum of products. For sum of products, what is the main aim? The main aim is to search the max terms. Alright, in the output section. That is the ones in the output section. Now see. For this one, ये 1 कैसे मिला? जब 3 1 होगा, तीनों 1 को ऐड करने से जाके हम लोगों को आउटपुट में 1 मिलेगा. दिस इज द थिंग. 3 1 होना चाहिए. ऑलराइट, थोड़ा अलग है. तीनों में 1 होना चाहिए. सो फॉर दिस ऑल दिस 3 शुड बी 1. सो a इज 0. कब बन जाएगा 1? व्हेन यू टेक द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ a. व्हेन यू टेक द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ a, दिस बिकम्स 1 एंड these two are already 1. A dash, B, C. They are already 1. Right? This one is done. Double tick. Now, let's move to the second one of the output. Second one of the output. So this is the second one. उसमें 3 1 होना चाहिए, लेकिन बीच वाला नहीं है. A is already 1, C is already 1, but this is not. So what we will do? We will take the complement of this. That is A, B complement. As I want to make this 1, B है 0, तो इसका complement लेना है 1, B complement C. Alright, A, B complement C. Next, this is done. Double tick. Third one of the output. 3 1 होने से ही output में third one output भी 1. तो ये तो already 1 है. A and B already 1, but this is not 1, so C is not 1. What we have to do? We have to take the complement of C. I hope you are understanding the thing. Now I am dealing with the fourth one of the output. So see, all these are 1. कुछ change नहीं करना है, डाल देना है A, B, C. So this is the required sum of product expression from this truth table. Now from this truth table itself we will be finding the POS, the second Boolean expression. Boolean expressions are 2, that is SOPs and POS. Just now you have learned how to convert the truth table into a SOP. Now you will be learning how to convert the truth table into POS, that is product of sum. For product of sum, what is our intention? Our intention is to search the zeros of the output. Okay, what is our intention? To search the zeros in the. So what are the zeros in the output? These are the zeros in the output. 4 0 है. Alright. So POS with blue tick. Try to understand. Okay. So अभी इसके लिए क्या करना होगा? What you have done? You have searched the zeros in the output. For these zeros, so what should be the expression? Alright. So we have got 4 zeros in the output. For this 0 now, so all the input should be 0. यहाँ पे जैसा सभी इनपुट 1 होना था, जो 1 नहीं था उसे मैंने कंप्लीमेंट लिखा। यहाँ पे क्या होगा, यहाँ पे ऑल द इनपुट शुड बी 0, देन ओनली आउटपुट विल बी 0। ऑलराइट, सभी इनपुट 0 होना है। तो फॉर दिस फर्स्ट 0 ऑफ द आउटपुट आई एम चेकिंग ऑल द इनपुट्स आर 0। कुछ चेंज का जरूरत नहीं, जैसे है वो डाल देंगे ए बी सी। एंड दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम्स, a प्लस बी प्लस सी, इसका प्रोडक्ट फर्स्ट 0 का हो चुका है। ऑलराइट, फर्स्ट 0 इज डन विथ। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू द सेकंड 0। सेकंड 0 के लिए सभी में 0 होना है, ये 0 नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट 0 in itself. So what I will write? I will write this to be as C complement. 0 0, इसे भी 0 बनाना है, तो 0 कैसे बनेगा, C complement से। That is A plus B plus C complement. Right? Now for the third 0, सभी में 0 होना है, सिर्फ बीच वाला नहीं है 0, तो इसे B complement लिखना है। Okay? That is A plus B complement plus C. Now the fourth one, the last 0 of the output, A0 underline किया हुआ है। Alright, सभी में 0 आना है, all the input should be 0। A complement, as this is not 0, what I will write, A complement। If I take the complement of A, then it will become 0। सभी में 0 आना है, तो A complement B C, तो they are already zeros, तो इसमें no changes। A complement plus B plus C. This is the equivalent product of sum. This is the equivalent POS expression from the given truth table. I hope you have understood. Alright. So thank you for watching.